Welcome to Cruises and Casinos. We are on Freedom of the Seas, March 4th, 2024. I'm going to make a video of our cabin, which is 6214. I just wanted to show where it's at. It's the very first balcony cabin in the forward. It was the offer for this cruise was a guaranteed balcony. When I got it and I saw the number, I was like, no, it's not going to happen, but they couldn't change it. They said the cruise was all sold out. Okay, so this is 6214. Here's the door I just came through. Our muster station is A1. Here it is. And as you walk in to the room, this is what it looks like. To my right will be the closet, and to the left will be the bathroom. Outside of the bathroom, you have the thermostat, which is an old school thermostat. Light switch for the bathroom is there. You have a fairly large sofa. It's not a love seat, it's a whole sofa. And then you have the Royal King. It's two twins joined together to make a Royal King. Okay, we'll take a look at the balcony in a little while. Let's just sit to look at the whole room before we go out there. Okay, so this is the cabin from the opposite side. My back is to the balcony door. One of the things I noticed as soon as I walked in the room is that there are no USB ports. And all you really have is two 120 volt outlets. And I did turn this light on for the rectangle mirror, but the stateroom attendant came by and he turned it off. And you just have one shelf here above the TV. I would imagine that it does tilt. Yep, this one does tilt over. Sometimes there might be plugs behind the TV. I've seen them on other ships, but not this one. Oh, you also have little storage next to the lighted mirror. Like 4 shelves on each side. This little part down here, that doesn't open. And on the bottom, you have 2 open shelves. You want to call them shelves, but they come in handy. And here's your little mini refrigerator. The ship has been upgraded, I think, as of last year, October. So some of the items might be new, because this does look like a newer refrigerator. And you have some drawers here. The first one is always the shallow one. And then the other 3 are that size. You have a chair to sit at the vanity. Has a back on it, which is a good thing. I have a little wastebasket. And this is usually where hair dryer is. No hair dryer here, but maybe on the other side you got 2 boxes of tissues. Oh, we got our complimentary water. Oh. Okay, so it might be in the bathroom. I really don't know. Oh, here it is. Not supposed to be there, but it's only a 4-night cruise, so we're not going to be using any of these drawers. We packed very light. This is like a pickup cruise. So in this balcony, there's only 1 closet. Let me open that closet up. Get an idea. I have a total of 5 hangers? 6 hangers. Total. These pull down. if you want to hang more stuff. Let me just move back, show that. Here you have your life jackets tucked away in that little cubby hole. And here you have your safe. It's actually a little larger than the carnival safes. And then you have these shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total. And you can put a lot of stuff on, and then you have the floor space there. This little space up here, I don't think you can put much in there on top there. And you have 2 lights, night lights, on either side of the bed. Again, no outlet, no USB. And these can move around left and right, not up and down, just left and right. They have 2 switches. One turns on the lamp, and the other one turns on the little reader light. And I do believe this is for the entire cabin. Yep. With the exception of the lighted mirror. Okay. Let's close that up. Actually, it's a fairly large TV compared to the one on Liberty, which was like half the size. So over here you have another light. I don't see the switch for that one. And you have a full-length mirror. It's actually a pretty large mirror. Let's see if we could figure out where the switch is. No, I can't figure it out. Mrs. Casinos will figure it out when she comes back. Okay, so let's take a look at the balcony, and then we take a look at the bathroom, and we should be done. Don't lay flat. Okay. Okay, so like I said, this is the very front of the ship, the very first cabin on the starboard side. There's an empty area. They could have made the balcony bigger, you know, like just extend the balcony to over there and you'll have a much bigger balcony, but who knows? Okay, so it's a standard balcony. You just have a small round table and 2 chairs and enough space for 2 people to enjoy the sea days. There's the cabin from out on the balcony. You have Miami in the background, and all the way to aft. So it's 4 days, just 2 stops. The usual private island, Nassau. Private island, 𝐶𝐞𝐚, and then Nassau. You could tell this door handle has taken a beating. It doesn't even want to close and stay closed all the way. Anywho, okay, so let's take a look at the bathroom, and that will be the entire cabin. The phone is right next to the right-hand side of the bed. Yeah, when you lay here facing this way, yeah, right-hand side of the bed. And you got these little storage area here, 1 drawer, 1 open storage area on the bottom. Okay, and here's our bathroom. We have shower doors. Yay! Stateroom attendant has put in all fresh towels and soap, hand towels, and floor mat. Have your toilet tucked away in the corner over here. They usually put more towels up above, but you know, on a 4-day cruise, see this fixture looks new. We've been on Freedom before. It looks like it's a new fixture, so they may have, this is probably part of the renovation. Okay, I'm just gonna turn that this way and check the water pressure. That seems to be fine. I think the side here with that red knob, that's just to set the temperature, and the one in the middle is to turn on the pressure. And you have a combination body wash, hair and body wash, so it's like a shampoo and body wash. We usually bring our own. Let's check this. Oh, this one has a lot of pressure. It's actually spraying all the way up, hitting here, coming all the way back on there. And it's gurgling, which means it's raining. It's not clogged up. So in the bathroom, let me just step out. You have just one set of storage in here. And that's what it looks like. The other side has just two little cups for rinsing, and it has a pretty big mirror in the middle and two on the sides. And underneath you have your trash bin. They no longer put the facial tissues in the bathroom. I think it's because people flush it down the toilet and it becomes a problem, so they usually put it outside. Okay, cruises and casinos on Freedom of the Seas. This is our balcony cabin, 6214, I think. Hold on a second, let me double check that. Yes, it is 6214. I'll have the cabin category number in the description. Thanks for watching.